Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss. How to use the AIPRM ChatGPT prompts. This browser extension is truly a game changer when it comes to enhancing your ChatGPT experience. It's not just an ordinary extension, it's like having a powerful database or search engine right at your fingertips. So, if you're new here, you haven't set up ChatGPT yet, I highly recommend checking out our previous video where we have explained it in details. Make sure to learn as much as you can, as this extension will revolutionize the way you interact with ChatGPT. Hi, my name is Vikas Parekh and I welcome you to the W3 Era YouTube channel. Now, we are going to learn about something called AIPRM, which stands for Artificial Intelligence Powered Risk Management. According to this website, AIPRM is the ultimate time saver for ChatGPT, offering one-click prompts for SEO, marketing, copywriting, and so much more. Essentially, it adds a curated list of prompt templates directly to your ChatGPT window, and guess what? It's currently available for free. Let's dive into how to get started. Open Chrome browser, open it. Now go to this icon. This is an extension icon. Click on Manage Extensions. Then in here, click on these lines at the right hand top corner. Go downstairs. You have to click here. Open it. Again, a new window will come up in front of you. Now in the search store, write in on AIPRM. Now you have to search for this logo, okay? AIPRM for ChatGPT. Alright, click on here. You have to add this extension by clicking on this blue icon out here, then click on add extension. If you already have this added in your screen, then this pop-up will come up, remove from the Chrome. You don't have to do that. Okay, so now once it get connected, you click on continue and then sign up with the Google account. So once you verify, this window will pop up. Okay, this is the window. Now let's explore the different sections of AIPRM. Each tab you see here represents the prompt template. Some of these prompts are generated by AIPRM, like the Outrank article, while the others are contributed by the community members, such as Ron GPT's buyer persona legend. When you hover over a prompt, you will notice three sections below. The first section on the left indicates the number of views the prompt had received, meaning how many people have clicked on it to check it out. The second section displays the number of times the prompt had received. Okay, the prompt has been used, and the third section shows the number of upvotes it had received. You can upvote or downvote any prompt using the corresponding icon. If you find any prompt offensive or illegal, there is a report button available. Additionally, you can copy a prompt and share it with others using the designated button. Here you can see with over 3,134 prompts are already available. It's easy to get overwhelmed. If you prefer a less curated view, you can just scroll down and you can adjust the setting displays. Okay, fewer prompts at once. Click on here any section you want to have. You can also navigate through the prompts using the next and the previous buttons. Go up, then find a specific prompt. You have two options. First, in the search bar, you can either use the search bar and enter any keyword like SEO. You can find it relates to SEO, or you can explore the prompts based on each topic. The topic sections provides a drop-down menu with various categories such as copywriting, DevOps, generating AI, marketing, operating systems, productivity, SaaS, SEO, software applications, software engineering. Now, let's click on SEO. Each category may have its own subcategories, allowing for more focused searches. You can click on ideation. It is important to note that some prompts may become outdated over time. However, AIPRM has a solution for it. By sorting the prompts by the latest updates, you can find the ones that are actively being updated. Additionally, you can also sort prompts based on the highest number of views or top voters, depending on your preferences. Well, the AIPRM interface on the ChatGPT window may seem distracting to some. There is an alternative method to access the prompts. You can visit AIPRM website at app.aiprm.com/prompts. Open it. This provides a larger and clearer screen to work with. Here you can search for the prompts related to specific topics such as marketing, SEO, keyword research. It is a user-friendly way to browse through the available prompts. Now, let's try using a prompt. Selected the keyword generator. Okay, click on it. Clicking on it reveals a small teaser about what it does. This specific prompts generate a list of keywords related to your prompt, generates a bullet list as well as comma separated list. Beneath that, you can copy and paste. Prompt hint. This is the hint. To use the prompt, you don't need to copy anything. Simply click the try this prompt on ChatGPT button here, ensuring that you are logged in. Okay. This section opens the prompt directly into your ChatGPT window. Let me demonstrate. Here we are in the ChatGPT window with the keyword generator prompt template. You can select different output languages and writing tones. Although these prompts may not be relevant for this particular prompt, for now I will keep it as an English only, and you can also adjust the writing style. I'll just keep it as default, but again it may not apply to generating keywords. Now let's generate some keywords based on the topic importance of digital marketing. I will type it and press enter. Press enter. Fantastic. The prompt has generated a variety of keywords related to the importance of digital marketing. Just take a look at some of these keywords. Increase online visibility, targeted audience reach, high customers engagement, cost-effective advertising, higher conversion rates, global market expansion, real-time customer feedback, improved customer targeting, measurable results, access to valuable customer data, increased website traffic, improved online reputation, better ROI, continuous marketing optimization. With these keywords idea, you can write numerous articles and develop an entire content strategy. It's remarkable how ChatGPT can offer insights and ideas even if you are not an expert on the topic. Okay, suppose you are not satisfied with the initial response. Normally people would click the regenerate response button, but AIPRM provides an even more advanced feature. Suppose you are not satisfied with the initial response, you can click on regenerate response and you will find different options. Okay, so you can find another list of keywords by clicking on regenerating. Okay, you can click on stop generating the response and you can even stop it. So here you can read what it is saying. Digital advertising, social media promotion, SEO, content strategy, this and that. AIPRM goes beyond pre-existing prompts. You can create your own prompts too. In the own prompt tab here, click on add new prompt template button. Select a topic and choose whether to keep the prompt private or share it with the community. If you have a particularly useful prompt, you can even include your name and website, turning into a promotional tool. In the future, I may create a video demonstrating how to create and publish your own prompt. One of the unique aspects of AIPRM is its dedicated community. In just 2 to 3 months, AIPRM has received over 700,000 users. The founder Hugh is incredibly helpful and maintains his own YouTube channel called AIPRM. If you have any questions or regarding specific ChatGPT prompts, you can utilize the community forum for assistance. You can see many knowledgeable individuals are actively participating and joining the forum, and engaging with the community can greatly enhance your skills with ChatGPT prompts. I hope you now understood the incredible power of browser extension. Instead of searching through various websites for prompt generation, you can simply use AIPRM and find the inspiration right on the ChatGPT window. It streamlines the process and make it so much more convenient. If you find this video valuable, please click on the like button and subscribe to our channel. We have many more videos coming up covering topics on text-based AI tools and AI art. Thank you for watching this video on how to use the AIPRM ChatGPT prompts. If you enjoyed it, be sure to check out our other videos and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. See you next time.